we are going to review on how to make money on early mini. Yes, welcome back to my channel Unspoken Insight. This channel is all about review the online audit on how to make money in 2026. Yes, how to make money 2026. Please, wherever where you are watching this channel from, this is the first time that you are seeing this video. Kindly hit the notification button, like, share, and comment to give you more weekly audits. Alright, be right back. This platform, early mini, is a company where you invest with your money. Yes, it's a company where you invest in your money. Many people have been cashing out on this company. Yes, this company, early mini, that I see here, have been existing in 2013. It has belonged. Yes, in 2013, it has belonged. Many people are cashing out on this platform unknowingly. Yes, when you check it now, search it on YouTube, you cannot see them. They hide it. Why? Because people are cashing out on this platform. That is the reason why they hide it, so that you cannot see it. Once again, this is the first time that you are seeing here or seeing this video. Please kindly hit the notification button, like, share, comment. As you do so, God bless you. Alright, as I go further, what is this platform is all about? What is the goal of this platform? It's all about investment. Yes, it's all about investment. Many people are afraid of online investments. If I put money on this online investment, it will crash. I don't know whether I will see the money back. No, let me shock you. This platform is not. It's not other platform that where you can invest your money. At the end of the day, they will scam you. You said that I invest on this particular website and your company, I don't see the money. No, this platform is not as that. Many people are cashing out on it. Please, if you want to know about it, just look at the name here. If you have ChatGPT or have Google, just search it. Yes, right? People are cashing out on this company, on this platform. Yes, I'm making money on it. At least many. Wow. If you check now, this is the bonus I have here. I want to show you my dad. Don't be watching now. Just be watching. You see everything now. What I'm telling you about. Just be watching now. You see this I'm telling you about. Alright. As you can see it. If you want to invest on it, start as little capital that you have. You can start as least 4,000 naira to invest on this platform. Yes, to check it whether it's work or it did not work. I advise you, it worked. It's legit, 100% legit. Yes, it's 100% legit. I mean it legit. I know what I'm talking about. You will not understand until you use your eye to see it. I know what I'm talking about on this platform, early mini. This early mini that you are seeing is all over the world, both Russia, China, India, USA, UK. Yes, this company is owned by white men. Which means you are taking that is Nigeria per se, probably it will crash. No, it has been existing 2013. As I went to research it, it has been existing 2013. People are cashing out on this platform. Yes, Ali mean, in case that you want to register on this platform, kindly check my description. You will see the link there and register it. And also, in case if you don't understand anything about it, there's a number there on my description. It's my WhatsApp number. Message me and I will direct you proper a way that you will understand, in a way that you will not confuse. Alright, this is the first time that you are seeing this video. Please kindly hit notification, like and share. Anytime that I see any online update, will be the one to see it on your phone or your desktop. Thank you. Thanks for watching. God bless you.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.